Hey guys, and welcome back to another Goldie and Robbo clip. Before we get started, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's subscribed so far. I don't know how or why, but we've managed to get over 1,000 subscribers and really do appreciate it. So if you haven't done so already, just hit that subscribe button. Really do appreciate it.
You will be more dumber once you
We
watch
are
our
two
clips.
idiots. Sorry.
The reason for this clip was Buggerlugs here. A little while ago did his own fridge slide, and I was pleading with him to record it, and he didn't. However, I think it's actually worthy because, as you know, fridge slides, they're expensive and they're super heavy. I've got a kick-ass fridge slide, love it to death. It's like 30 or 40 kilos, and you're looking at nearly 300 bananas for it. And what Goldie did would be about 12 to 15 kilos and $100 less, and I thought it would be worthy, so I made him pull it. I made him pull it out.
That was
And
a big pain
I'm
in the
going
ass.
home.
Yeah, no, you're done. So what I've gone out and done is I've gone to a scrap metal yard and basically just gone through the bins. Got this pretty cheap sort of angle iron. It's about 50 by 50 mil angle iron and a bit of flat iron as well. So that's again about 50 mil wide. I've done that so it's nice and strong in the back of the tub. So once I pull out the slide, it's not going to bend, flex, or anything like that. But also, as you see with this bit of angle piece that I've screwed the draw runners on, that's made out of aluminium, so it's a little bit lighter as well. So we'll see how we go. We'll start putting these in the back of the truck, and I'll show you how I've done it. The beauty about this thing is you don't have to weld anything like that on. You can be just as simple as me and cost effective, like I said, and just anyone can do this. This will be bolted down to the base of the tub. So as you can see, like I said, you got the flat iron. There'll be another one at the rear there. This will elevate the railing off the base of the tub as well. So when you slide, when it's all put together and it slides all out, it won't hit the tailgate. So it won't drag along there. All right, mate, that's pretty much what I was talking about there. So as you can see, those support brackets will not move this at all. That is secured. That Solid. Is one with the tub.
Stage 2, big boy. What have we got?
I'm glad you asked. And first of all, thank you for making that such a pain in the ass to get back in.
You're all welcome.
It was so much easier the first time. All right, now this is obviously the slide itself. This is what I bought off Facebook. It was about $50 secondhand. So all I want to do is take this outer casing off and connect it to the corner brace bracket. So all I'm going to do is take this off, sliding it off somehow. No, you stay there, mate. I'll do this. Once I got that off, now I've got to connect it to this corner bracket. And to do that, I'm going to just line this up, this front part up with the front of the brace bracket.
Yeah.
And inside here, you'll be able to see where I've already drilled the holes. I think you can see that. We've already drilled the holes for the screws. I'll just screw that straight in through there into the brace bracket and secure this slide there.
Perfect.
That's it.
Handsome.
I know. That's about 6 screws, all secured that nicely.
And that just looked like self-tapping because that wasn't a bolt enough.
No, that's self-tapping. So because you made me redo this whole thing again, I put the self-tapping screws in and then I just grind it off the back and just make it nice and neat. But you want to make sure that this slide is now running nice and smoothly. It's not catching on any of those screws. So I'll do the other side now, and then we'll go to the next phase. Now to move on to the last sort of phase, and that hasn't really taken that long at all to install again. But the first time didn't take me that long either. So the biggest thing to take away from this whole thing is that it is so much lighter than the other fridge slides that you'll buy in store. But we'll move on to this phase. So if you move in closer, Robbo, you'll see that I've secured this to an aluminium brace as well. So this one's a lot lighter. And how I've done that is pretty much just given it a good 5 mil from the bottom, and allowed about I suppose about an inch overhang for the front of this slide.
Yeah.
Once I've secured this to the side of the bracket,
Yeah.
then all I have to do is basically hook it up to the rails that we've just connected. Beautiful.
Perfect.
So that's locked in. Again, that's obviously left a bit of a platform at the top there, and that's where we'll secure our fridge slide base itself. So beautiful.
Very good.
So that runs smoothly and doesn't have any catches. So that's what you want. All right, so this is what I was talking about for the platform for the fridge slide. So I've basically got this cut. It's probably about $40 just to get this done. So this is probably a little bit of an expensive part as well. So it's about I think it's about 5 mil thick. So it's nice and sturdy. I've just so it's just aluminium. So I've just covered it in a bit of marine carpet just to make it nice and pretty. But this is going to go on top of our braces. So give yourself a good inch between any obstruction. Beautiful. All right, mate. So what I've done here, so I've got one at the front and one at the rear as well. So it's about a 25 by 25 corner bracket again. All I've done is screwed it straight into the platform and grinded out a bit of a hole there and hole each side. So these will be for my tie down points as well. Yeah, so cool. All right, just make sure all those line in the guide rails. All good. Slide it all in. That's locked into place. You can see, smooth. Perfect. And you can see, obviously, there's a nice bit of a gap in between that tight draw system anyway. So that's it, mate. That didn't take too long.
It's simpler than what I thought it was going to be, because when you said I'm going to build one, I had no idea where you're going to start. But what I like about it is the weight.
Yeah.
The weight is a third of normal fridge slides that you buy. I don't know about the price. I think it'd be cheaper, and you're not stuck with one slide for one size of a fridge.
Yeah.
This would fit an 89 litre to a 40 litre with tie downs. It will fit. It's a generic slide. I like it.
As you see down the end there, the width of the fridge slide doesn't impede in that the wheel arch.
And a normal slide that you buy from XTM or wherever, you wouldn't be able to fit it in this thin little area because you've committed to slide.
So there you have it, guys. Again, very simple, cost-effective fridge slide. Didn't take too long. It's quite simple. Again, there is no welding needed. It's just a few bolts and screws and everything else that goes with it. So very easy. Comes out. The weight of these, and especially with the quality of the slides you're going to buy, make sure you do get good quality ones. Otherwise, the cheap ones, you're going to have bearings going everywhere in a couple of months. So this one here, this fridge loaded up full of beers. It's quite heavy. Give it a crack. Let me know how you go. And again, if you can, like, subscribe, do all that sort of stuff for us. We're at 1,000 already. Thank you very much.